There's popcorn! We got popcorn! She surprised me with Dopamine Land. I don't know where we are or what we're doing. Ooh, I'm not really sure what's going on. How's the popcorn?
Splendid.
We're going to the next one, Gemma. Get up. I'm gonna film this now. There's this many surprises. Oh my god.
I have to finish it. Can I take it?
Whoa. Oh, you go in it. Miss Mile. This is sick. I can't tell where. Is there the end? Is there an end to it? Oh, there's a wall there. You can't tell.
My favourite room so far. This is so sick.
Next room now. Such as dance.
Yeah, that dance game with the steps.
But you did that. Maybe you didn't. You did. It's touch sensitive. Sick. Right, so I'm on my pink one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bubbles. Now do some modelling. Whoa, crazy. My glasses. There's a more interesting room. You're right on stuff. I hit him up for the music. Thank you, Mrs. Tour Guide. Come hither.
What the fuck?
Dopamine Land's got to us, man. There's a room. Oh no, it says keep going.
A balanced lifestyle enhances your body's natural production of dopamine.
What do we go with? What's
Oh,
this
should we
room?
go in this one first?
What's this?
Fuck knows. I think we do drawing. Oh look, Gemma. I think we tell a story. We made an album cover. So yeah, album covers for the new @_the premiere song, Spotify and Apple Music and everything like that. Links are in the description down below. We've been told to remove our shoes. I was going to say trousers. We've been told to remove our shoes because we're going to a ball pit. What? Ball pit? There's our balls. Literally the first rule was don't dive in the ball pit. Oh my gosh. It's like Bally Ballison. Oh, this is sick.
I won in the ball pit.
This is your sign to go to Dopamine Land with your girlfriend/boyfriend. Or whoever they identify.
Or just friends.
All friends.
I can't get up.
Dopamine's linked to recover.
Whoa. Oh, it smells all. Oh, so you guys can barely see anything, but there's candles and we're laying on the floor. And there's so many, like, just passed out people in here. It's that chill.
It's from Sam.
Whoa, man's in the jungle. Can't tell how big it is though. Oh my god. There's a fucking pillow fight room. Gemma, it's the pillow fight room. That's amazing. Shit.
We didn't even bow.
It's death. This is what death looks like. Oh, is this the end? Oh. Well, what did you think of Dopamine Land?
Yeah, I think it was good.
Pleasant surprise.
I'm a bit exhausted to be honest, but yeah, it was
It
good.
was so hot. Lots to do though. We're going to go to the bubble bar now.
I want to
see
go
what the fuck
sit in
is.
that bubble room again.
Yeah. That was sick.
It was good.
It's very cool, isn't it?
8 out of 10.
I was going to say out of 10.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Pretty good. Bar area's pretty good. They've got drinks and stuff. They've got £4.50 Camden Hills. They've got fun little areas. What the shit? As well as like loads of different other little things. Can you actually sit on it, or you? Ooh, just gone funky with it. We've got the Coke. Miley Cyrus who? Miley Cyrus who? Got bubble gum. Ah. This is sick though. Is she gonna die? Oh shit!
Are these little tokens that we... Wait, it's not... Is it
Oh, watermelon is so bang.
Oh god.
Best part of this flavour. Thank you, Dopamine Land. That was ever so entertaining. Date night complete. Like and subscribe and that. Safe.